Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, let's see ano yung parating sa inyo ngayong September 2026. So this is your monthly reading. This is a general reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Leo. Ano yung energies for September 2026? Teamwork. Oh, you will be working with people. Collaboration. Pwedeng sa work mo yan, may mga makakasama ka for a project or meron kang personal projects na meron kang lalapitan to mentor you or to help you, assist you, support you. And some of you naman, this can be related sa inyong spiritual work. If you're doing spiritual work, energy work, so you are going to connect to your guides, to your, parang meron kang mga mas kikilalanin pa or aalamin na spiritual guides that will help you do your spiritual work. Shadow. Oh, so this is about healing. Ang isa sa interpretation nito is maaring meron kang ikukonsulta na isang healing modality or a process na kailangan mo pagdaanan to heal your shadow side. Can be anywhere, can be with anyone. Kasi alam nyo, mga nasa spiritual, hindi lang naman porket, for example ako, hindi lang naman spiritual person ako or someone who practice spirituality. I also need other people to help me, do that energy work. So, pwede ako magkonsulta kahit na kanino na sa tingin ko ay makakatulong sa akin. 'Di ba? So, you are also connecting in your most authentic self during this time, no? Lalo na ngayong September. I think you will also create a community. Kung ikaw ay meron kang plans, meron kang pinaglalaban, or alam mo sa sarili mo na meron kang purpose, like you know your purpose, especially if this is related to spirituality or kahit anong specific purpose na tutulong ka sa collective. So you will create your network. You will connect more with other people na may kaparehong interest sa'yo. Your overall energy, the lovers, so this is about commitment. Mas magkakaroon ka ng commitment sa sarili mo, sa mga taong dinideserve ang energy mo. This can also be a major decision that you will have to face. Now, your challenge is the King of Pentacles. This can be a decision when it comes to your money, finances, leadership, roles. No? Pwede kasing merong offer for you. May offer to lead a community or may promotion sa workplace. And then, iisip mo kung kaya mo ba yung responsibility na yan. And this can also mean yung pagmamanage mo ng finances mo can be quite challenging ngayong September. So, kailangan yung mga decisions na gagawin mo when it comes to your resources, money, is talagang pinag-isipan mo. Now, your opportunity is the Six of Swords. You are moving to a better direction. Pwedeng may mga realization ka of your mga naging maling desisyon, mga bagay, sitwasyon na pinatulan mo na dapat hindi naman. So you are walking away from that. You are going to another direction. Now, your blessing is the Seven of Pentacles. Yung patience mo is going to be your blessing ngayong September. Kasi kung mas paiiralin mo yung mabilisan na resulta, you will end up frustrated, or stressed. So might as well focus on what works for you, 'di ba? And then do something about it, no? Maging patient ka na lahat naman ng bagay ay may prosesong kailangang pagdaanan, 'di ba? Mm-mm. So let's clarify, what is the Lovers? The Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely major decision in your money, finances, resources, or any family matters, no, na kailangan mong pagdesisyonan, lalo na kung ikaw ay head of the family. Pwedeng may kinalaman to sa inheritance, mana, or properties ng family. Knight of Cups. Okay, as a challenge, I see this as a challenge with someone na merong ideas or offering sa'yo pagdating sa pera on how you manage your resources. Kailangan mas maging maingat ka lang talaga in making that decision. Kasi pwedeng madala ka sa yung di ba may mga, lalo na yung sa marketing, no? Yung mga marketers, magagaling talaga sila magsalita at mangumbinse. So, pay attention to that, na iwasang magpadala sa emosyon, lalo na kung ang decision may kinalaman sa pera. Now, you have the Four of Pentacles. You have the opportunity to bring in stability in your money, your finances, your home life. And if there's something na kailangan mong ayusin financially sa business mo or sa bahay, lalo na yung iba sa inyo nagpapatayo ng bahay, then definitely I see a greater opportunity na maayos yon, ma-stabilize. Wow, you have the Empress as your blessing. So this is blessing of abundance, prosperity, and your skill set. So pwedeng may mga marirealize ka na mga kakayanan, abilities that can make more money para sa'yo, but you just have to be more patient in dealing with that. Meron mga tao na pwedeng imamock ka, or yung tipong kumbaga hindi sila naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. Huwag mo silang pansinin. Okay? Huwag mo silang pansinin. Mag-focus ka doon sa gusto mong ma-achieve. Okay? Huwag kang magpa-apekto sa kanila kasi hindi mo naman sila kailangan i-please. Take a risk. Whatever this is na sa tingin mo na kaya mong panindigan. Ayan, no? May shooting star, wish granted. Meron ka wish na matutupad, especially if you are going to take action to make things happen for yourself. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.